and give us a big thumbs up. If you want to spread positivity today, then say something nice in the comments and brighten someone's day. If you're new to the channel, we post a variety of content. Please check out our other videos, which I'm sure you'll like. I'm taking over this video. Yeah, a lot of people rejected, reject, accepted, reject, accepted, reject, accepted. Oh, I forgot to check Russell Wilson's stats. I think he came second, so he had a pretty good season. Okay, 4,000 yards, 28 touchdowns, 7 interceptions. He got sacked 16 times. She has 62 completion percentage. Yards per attempt. He did pretty good. So definitely, I signed mostly I'm gonna advance another week. Hopefully we can just get a good linebacker core, and then I think we're ready for a Super Bowl. So hopefully we can get it. Now let's see free agency. Last year's free agency was bad. This is if not even worse. If not every single person wanted him, I probably would try to get him. Oh my goodness. Dang, this is really bad. This is bad. Guess I'll try to sign him. Dang. I gotta sign a backup quarterback. Just gonna sign him to a 2-year, yeah. Just for a backup quarterback. This is bad. Any good wide receivers? Any young players? I guess I would try to get Riley Cooper. It's not much. I don't want to sound like I guess I'll just sign that deal. What? These good tight ends. Ooh, Vance McDonald. That was nice. Yeah, but this is pretty bad. This is real bad. I'm gonna try to see what I can get. I'm gonna do some trades, and I'm gonna show you guys what I can get on the trades. Guys, a huge trade went down. We just got a huge player, Brandon Graham, an outside linebacker, for a 3rd-round pick and a older cornerback. Let's go. So far, this team's looking really good. We have a 93 overall offense and 93 overall defense. So that's really good. Compared, we have an 80 some odd overall team. So we're gonna be making some trades. Hopefully, we can go to the Super Bowl. I'm gonna show you what trades I can get, if I can get any good ones. Guys, I just was able to swing a huge deal. I got the 1st overall pick and the 33rd overall pick for 2 wide receivers. That's crazy. Another big trade just went down. I was able to get the 2nd overall and the 2nd pick of the 2nd round for a 2nd round draft pick, late 2nd round, a corner and a wide receiver. Let's go. Okay guys, this is free agency recap. I've got him as my backup quarterback just in case if anything happens. Running back, nothing changed. Fullback, nothing changed. We added a couple players. We added Riley Cooper and Danny Amendola. Tight end, huge, Vance McDonald, 82 overall. Left tackle, he's a rookie and he's a backup, not much changed. And pretty much nothing changed too much. I picked him up as our backup, right guard. Right tackle, we only have Lane Johnson. Left end, not much changed. Right end, not much changed. D tackle, the same. Not much changed. Middle linebacker, nothing changed. Big pickup, Brandon Graham. That one I was super excited about. Corner, we picked up Corey Graham and nobody else. And nobody. Okay, we're gonna go into the draft, and we have a lot of first round picks. I think we have like 4. I'm gonna show you our draft capital. Here is our draft capital. Okay, we have the first overall, the second overall, third overall, 9th, then we have 2 seconds, 6th, and the 7th. So we don't have any really mid rounds, but we have a lot of earlies. That's gonna be a lot of fun. So we can get some of the best players in the draft. So we got the first 3 picks of the draft. That's gonna be huge. So our team's looking pretty good. Oh, let me show you one more thing. We have, where does it say? A 95 overall team. 95 offense, 95 defense. So we're a 95 overall squad. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna be advancing to the draft. So we should make the championship game. Because we have, or at least, hopefully we can make the Super Bowl and win it. Because we have a 95 overall roster. Okay, so let's look at our rookie signings. Okay, so we got we got a left tackle, right outside linebacker. He will play left outside linebacker, a wide receiver, free safety, another left outside linebacker, cornerback, and a tight end. So that's a really good draft. We filled our biggest needs. Our biggest needs were gonna be probably corner, outside linebacker, and we could use another tackle because Lane Johnson's getting old. And never hurts to grab a good wideout. I think let's see what roster adjustments I can make, but okay, let's see where he ranks upon the wideouts. He's at 70 overall. 65. Got a left tackle. 74 overall. And then we got, ooh, he's an 83 overall. That's gonna be good. I think if he doesn't do that well, I'm just gonna put in the rookie. Middle linebacker, nothing changed. Right outside linebacker, he's a 78 overall. That's pretty good. Cornerback, 63. Free safety, 79. That's actually really good. Strong safety, I don't think we got anybody new. Kicker. Okay, I'm happy. This team, we filled our biggest need in the outside linebacker. I think we're gonna make a deep run. Okay, let's just review our current roster. We got Russell Wilson, 3 good running backs, fullback, pretty good receiving core. Tight end, I say we definitely did pretty good. Yeah, I may trade him next offseason. Our R line's really good. I don't see any big holes in this team. Maybe right tackle I could use in maybe a year or two. Left end we're good. Right end we're good. I think we're really good. I was really happy that we picked up Brandon Graham. That's gonna be huge. Corner, we got 3 goods. We picked him up in free agency. He's 32, but he can be serviceable for a couple years. Like pretty much almost everywhere there's at least an 80 overall. Yeah, I think every position there's an 80 overall. Alright, I'm gonna advance to the playoffs. Hopefully we win. Oh, we have to advance one more time. But I think we can make this. I think this may be the year. I really don't have to go through another off season. Cause the 94, I think we have like a 95 overall roster. Hopefully I'll be able to see. But we should be real good. I'm happy I picked a young QB because I can have him for a while. I picked Jerry Jones got into the Hall of Fame. Ah, no. So I think we're gonna be let's see where we're gonna be. Ooh, let's see. A 3rd round pick? No. No. No, fullback, no, left. No, we don't even have any cap room anyway. Okay. To the playoffs. Okay. Hopefully we can make the Super Bowl. I'm predicting we're gonna go 12-4. I think our low is 10-6, and our high is 13-3. I really hope I don't look stupid, but we went 11-5, so I think we're gonna high 13-3, low 9-7 or 10-6. Okay, hopefully we make it. Okay, guys, I just walked in the room. We have wild card bye week. So I'm pretty sure, because last time it meant we were like the 2 seed. We had a bye. Okay, let's see the moment of truce. Russell Wilson won the MVP. He actually won the MVP. Okay, we're up. Okay, now we can see that we're up top. 11-5. Let's go. Okay, 11-5. Okay, does that, let's see. I highly doubt we got the number 1 seed. Ah, no. Okay. So, oof, we started 2-2. 3-3. We started 3-3 and then we pulled it together. We only lost 2 down the stretch. No, we lost 3. Okay, but for the most part, that looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna check. Do we get the 1 seed or the 2 seed? Because we have a bye. Okay. Okay, so we got the 2 seed. How did they get 2 ties? That's just weird. Okay, the Bears are in the playoffs and the Redskins. Wow, the 49ers are pretty bad this year, 8-8. Okay. So, we're going to... Alright, let's look at Russell Wilson's stats. He had even worse stats than last season. How did he win the MVP? How bad is all the quarterbacks? Didn't he go 27 and what do you mean 28 and 11 or something? He did worse. Let's look at touchdowns. Aaron Rodgers had the most. Okay, then Russell Wilson. We beat Aaron Rodgers in yards, so it's pretty much between Russell Wilson So we had the second most touchdowns. We had a decent amount of interceptions. I'm shocked they didn't give it to like him or something. We only had 6. I think Aaron Rodgers had the better season. I don't care. Our player got the MVP. Okay. Let's look at who's like our rushing stuff. Okay, rushing. Okay. Ooh, Todd Gurley had a nice year. Ooh, dang, Russell Wilson had a lot on his legs. 2 TDs. Okay. Receiving, Eddie Royale. And, hey, at least Riley Cooper did pretty good. Okay, so that was... Did Vance McDonald... my controller's dying. Vance McDonald only had... I made him a starting tight end. Did he get injured or something? Okay, defense, let's see, had the most picks. Sacks. Ooh, somebody got 15. Oh, we picked him up. 17 sacks. Brandon Graham, 15 sacks. 15 sacks. Sanu, pretty good year. I'm glad we kept him around. Rankinson, nice. A little bit of job off. But Mario Williams and Brandon Graham, we picked him. He was not on our original team. I'm happy that he got that. 15 sacks for Brandon Graham. Just for a linebacker, that's real good. So, okay, we're going to advance into the to see who we're playing. And Russell Wilson, the MVP. Okay, we're gonna advance a week. I'll show you guys what we're. Okay, so we're gonna be playing our division rival, the Bears. Okay, ooh, we're the best team, #1 offense and #1 defense. I'll definitely take that. So we're the #1, and so we should be the #1 team. Ooh, I'm so happy right now. Let's see. I really want to win the Super Bowl here. Oh, I want it bad right now. So we could be facing the Redskins or the Eagles. In the, I think it's going to be us and the Eagles. I hope the Redskins win, so we have home field advantage. The wild card was the Steelers won. Dang, Washington destroyed New Orleans. Tennessee destroyed San Diego, and Chicago barely beat San Fran. We're going to advance another week. Hopefully, we can go to the NFC Championship game for the second straight year. We should be good because we have a really good team. So, hopefully we can do it. Let's go! NFC Championship game! I was worried. Okay. We have a 97 overall offense and 93 defense. I'll definitely take that. We were here last year and we kind of choked it away. I think we lost to I have no clue we lost to. Okay, let's see what the beating was. Okay, we're 1 game away. I really want to I want to get the Super Bowl. Okay, ooh, we beat them by a commanding 31-14. Ooh, Philly barely snuck out. Tennessee barely snuck out. Pretty good Pittsburgh one. So we could be facing the Titans or the Steelers. Aaron Rodgers or... No clue. Alright, I'm excited. We're going to advance another week. We should win because we're the best defense and the best offense. Hopefully we can win. I'm going to turn around. And then, in like 10 seconds, you guys are going to see first. I just turned around. Hopefully. Okay, I'm going to wait another 10 seconds to look. You guys probably already know. Okay, I'm going to turn around. Oh, that was so anticlimactic. it says weekly goal completed. Does that mean we're going to the Super Bowl? Or does that mean... Oh, I don't want to see preseason. Dang, we dismantled them! 37-3! That's not even funny. That's like a Gronk playing with like 5-year-olds. Like playing a one-on-one football game. Jeez. Oh my goodness. And they had home field advantage too. It's going to be us versus the Steelers. I really just want to win this. I'm going to go nuts if we win this. I'm excited. We're going to advance to the Super Bowl. I'm nervous. Okay, we're in the Super Bowl. We're in it. I don't even care. So we're 97 overall offense and 93 overall defense. I don't even care about scouting right now. I clicked it just to see. Oh, nobody cares. Oh. I really don't have to go to the off season. Oh, they're good. Oh, we're okay. Hopefully we can win the Super Bowl. It's the same place as Super Bowl 45 in Arlington, Texas. Same teams. Let's see who wins the Super Bowl. Alright guys, I don't know if we won. I'm super excited. Let's see, did we complete the challenge? Okay, we can go into the league. The moment of 3, 2, 1. Oh, come on, don't do this to me. I'm closing my eyes. That sucks. Oh yeah, it says right here. I'm just gonna sign. I think I'm gonna roll with the same team. I will win the Super Bowl, so hopefully you guys liked the video. If you guys don't mind, like, subscribe, and leave down in the comments something positive. What you guys want to see. There will be another video until we host the Lombardi Trophy. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This has been Bro. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.